Welcome, baking friends! Let's get to it! Today we're doing a 4-tier wedding cake, 2 cake tiers with 2 acrylic tiers. We start by making the buttercream layers and a slight crumb coat. Let's make sure that buttercream stays in. Then we add our base layer, generously spreading buttercream and smoothing to get an even finish. I like to chill my cake in the fridge for a bit before attempting this step. It makes the buttercream go on much easier without having to do a complete crumb coat. Also, in warmer temperatures, it helps ensure that the filling is set and does not run out of the cake. There are a few tricks we can use here to get smoother sides. The right temperature of your frosting. Too cold or stiff frosting will not go on smoothly. A warm metal scraper. Run under warm water or heat with a torch for a bit until it is warm to touch, not hot. Lastly, hug your cake. Try to leave the scraper on the cake as you go around without lifting it. To do this, hold the cake stand on the far side and move it around in one big movement. Time for our smaller tier. We add buttercream layers and cover as we did with the first tier. I absolutely love using this plastic scraper. It's so flexible and gets all the little imperfections out. Time to decorate! Using a spatula, I place small dollops of green frosting around the cake. Space them out more if you want more white spaces on your final product. Go around using the smoother as many times as you think is needed. The amount of marbling is up to you. Don't forget to clean up those edges. This will be easier to do if you chill the cake after smoothing. Make tiny rosettes around the top of the cake using the green frosting. For the smaller tier, make draping using the tips shown above. Using a small star tip, add a second layer with small floral circles along the draping. Again, make tiny rosettes around the top of the cake using the green frosting. Add pearl balls along the draping and base of the cake. I used larger ones on the bottom and smaller ones as I went higher. You can choose whatever pattern you like. Apply by hand or with an applicator. For small applications, I don't mind doing it by hand. Time to place your dowels and stack the tiers. It's important to give the cake some structure so it doesn't sink or collapse. I also have a cake board under each tier. I've already filled my acrylic tiers with flowers and fairy lights. Make sure your tiers are clean and ready before layering the cake. Center the tiers as much as possible before adding your finishing touches. My topmost tier is a little tilted, but I went with it anyway. Since this is a tutorial cake, we don't mind a tad bit of imperfection. To tie everything together, make tiny rosettes around the base of the cake using the same green frosting. You can also use a shell border or add pearls along the base. Make a similar border along the base of the small top tier with the white frosting. This just makes your cake look more finished. I hope you enjoyed decorating with me. Drop a like and subscribe to see more. See you on the next one.